Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to continue with our lesson number 3, a surprise for grandma. Okay, we have completed the story part. Do you want me to revise again? Okay, what were the names of the two children? Yes, Sohan and Sweetie. And what were they doing? They were going to their grandparents' house and it was a holiday. Okay, and when they went to the grandparents' house, what did the grandpa tell them? Ki grandma had been very busy. She had cleaned all the rooms and she had done a lot of cleaning and all. And so she was very tired. So the children said to grandma, okay, grandma, you're tired, so you take rest and we will take care of the lunch. We all will prepare together. So grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie, they went to the kitchen, they prepared their lunch. They made so many things. Then they called grandma and they had their lunch and they had also prepared the banana delight and they gave a gift to grandma, and grandma was very surprised to see a mobile phone, but she was worried about how she could use the mobile phone because she didn't know how to use it. So then the children said, don't worry about it, we are going to help you to learn how to use it. Okay, that was the story. And now we are going to go through the dictation words. Dictation words are for self study, but for the sake of pronunciation I am going to take the dictation words. If you wish and you want to practice, I should not say if you wish, but you should practice the dictation words. Okay, you can write it 2 times in your English notebook. Okay, so you're supposed to repeat the dictation words after me. Huh? Repeat after me. HAS has. HAS has. BEEN bean. BEEN bean. WHAT what. WHAT what. DID did. DID did. FOR for. FOR for. TODAY today. TODAY today. US us. US us. HERE here. HERE here. SHE she. SHE she. WEV. WEV. HOW how. HOW how. PLEASE please. PLEASE please. Okay. You're repeating, no? Yes. Very good. Sit straight. Okay. Once more. Has been what did for today. Us, here, she, we, how, please. Okay. Now answer the following questions. The first question is, who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? What are the names of the children? Do you remember? Yes, you're right. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Say it once more with me. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Oh, it's raining outside. Okay. Now, you have, when you write this question answers in your English notebook, who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? This is the question. This is the question number. Question number you can write in the red line, margin line. Anything else you will not write in the margin line. Okay. And you have to write the question number. You also have to write the question. Okay. You have to write this also, answer the following question. Okay. Then you have to note down this question and you have to write your answer and you have to note down this answer also. I will post a separate PDF of these slides. Okay. So you have to write whatever I have shown here on this slide. Okay. Chalo. Let's look at the next question. Who has been busy today? Who was busy? Think, think, think. Yes, you're right. Grandma has been busy today. Okay, you have to write the whole sentence, not only grandma. Okay, some of you answered only grandma, no? Yes. So you have to say the whole sentence. Grandma has been busy today. Repeat after me, beta. Grandma has been busy today. Very good. The next question. Where do Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Where were they working? Yes, you're right, but you have to say it in the whole sentence. So, Grandma, Sohan, and Sweetie worked in the kitchen. Yes. Will you repeat with me once more? Very good. Grandpa, Sohan, and Sweetie worked in the kitchen. Very good. Next question. What is the surprise for grandma? Right. But you will write it in a full sentence, whole sentence. A mobile phone. Repeat after me. A mobile phone is the surprise for grandma. A mobile phone is the surprise for grandma. Very good. Now there is a question, who said the following? So you have to remember the story. Who said these sentences you have to remember. Are you tired, grandma? Who asked this? Think. Yes, you're right. Sohan and Sweetie said to grandma. Who said this? Are you tired, grandma? Sohan and Sweetie said to grandma. Okay, now who said the following also? You have to write in your English notebook. You have to give the heading and you have to write the question as well as the answer. Okay. The second one, come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Who said this? Yes, you are right. Grandpa said to Sohan and Sweetie. Okay, repeat it after me. Grandpa said to Sohan and Sweetie. Chalo, let's take a look at the next question. Oh, a mobile phone. Now, who said this? Yes, Grandma said these words. Okay, next. But don't worry, we will all help you. Who said this? Yes, Sohan and Sweetie said to Grandma. Okay, you have to copy down all this. Now, there is one more exercise in your textbook, page number 47. How can we keep the following clean? So, you can make a table, nice table like this. Hmm. Okay, there is no need to make a table. You can do it directly. There is already a table in your textbook, English textbook. You already have this table. So you can do it directly over there. Okay. Now the question is, how can we keep the following clean? So there are four things which you have to tell. Body, clothes, home and school. How will you keep your body clean? How will you keep your clothes clean? How will you keep your home clean? And how will you keep your school clean? Okay, understood? Chalo. Now let's take a look at how we will keep our body clean. Tell me. Think. Yes, you're right. By bathing. You will keep your body clean by bathing. Also, brushing. What you have to brush? You have to brush your teeth. Okay, teeth are also a part of your body. Is it not? So, brushing. These are the two things which I have noted down. If you can think of something else, you can mention that. There are two more slots where you can write. There is a place below. You can write whatever you can think of. Okay. Next one is clothes. So what will you do to keep your clothes clean? Yes, washing the clothes. What else? Ironing the clothes. Okay, I have written two. If you can think of something else, you can also note it down. And how will you keep your home clean? Yes, sweeping, झाड़ू लगा के. Ironing means what you know, na? Ironing means istri karna. Washing, all of you know. Sweeping means झाड़ू लगाना. Okay. And what else will you do? डस्टिंग. डस्टिंग मीन्स फर्नीचर साफ करना. जो कपड़ा लेके मम्मा और आप भी करते होंगे ना, यू विल ऑल्सो, यू मस्ट बी ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग योर मम्मा टू कीप योर फर्नीचर क्लीन. यू टेक अ क्लोथ एंड वाइप एवरीथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डस्टिंग. एंड व्हाट एल्स? यस, पोछा भी करते हैं. एंड डू यू नो व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? मॉपिंग. Okay, sweeping, dusting and mopping. Okay, this is how you will keep your home clean. What else you will do? There are so many things you can do. Yes, you can note it down in that slot. Okay, in your textbook itself. No need to write in the separately in the notebook. Do it in your textbook itself. Okay, and what will you do to keep your school clean? Yes, using dustbin. It is the most important things. Okay, there is a dustbin in every class, and but what we do all the kachra over. We'll put everything over there only, and we sit in that kachra only. So that is wrong. We have to put all the waste in the dustbin. Okay, and that is very important to keep your school clean. What else? Yes, sweeping and mopping. Okay, and think of something else also and write it down over there. Okay, so this is all about the exercise. Thank you so much, and complete everything in your English notebook. It is important that you complete your work in your English notebook. Now if the school starts, you will have to write so much, so better you start practicing right now only and complete your books. Okay, chalo, bye, see you.